So, finding a house in Abuja was not easy at all. We went through hurdles and hurdles, seeing what we liked but couldn't afford, and seeing what we didn't like that was just in our budget. But finally, after much hassle, after months of searching, we finally found our new place. Welcome to our new home. I'm so excited. Like, I've been wanting to show you guys this place for the longest time, but better late than never. Come. So this is a building with 4 flats, and we have one of the flats upstairs. The beautiful thing I love about this place is that every flat upstairs has their own private staircase. I love that. So this is a private staircase that leads to my flat. This door is very, very heavy. I intend to do a lot with this space. I intend to put like frames because it's my personal staircase, okay? So I intend to put frames, I intend to put plants and stuff. You guys will see that much later. Alright, so this is the entrance to the flat. Come. So this is the living room. And this living room is way bigger than my current living room. You guys should know that already. One of my favorite parts of this living room is this chandelier right here, guys. When we light it up, it looks amazing, just so you know. And then also there are some light fixtures here that I really love. They have like plants inside them. They look really nice when they are lit up. Those little light fixtures thing, amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna play around with frames here. I'm gonna play around with our settee. Here is going to be where our TV is going to be. So over here is our dining area, as you guys can see. And also in the dining area, you guys can see that we have another chandelier kind of light fixture thing that I absolutely love. And I feel like our dining table will fit really nicely here, guys, with plenty of space on either side. I'm thinking of putting something on this wall, maybe like frames or a mirror. I think I'm putting a big mirror here. Yeah, guys, let's go to the balcony. Let me just show you guys what the balcony looks like really quickly. Here's our balcony, and guys, it is massive. It is huge. Number one thing I love about this balcony, again, the light fixtures. Amazing. When this place is lit up at night, it looks so beautiful. Over here we have glass. You guys know that a lot of houses come with railings, just railings on the balcony, but in this particular house we have glass in the balcony, and this balcony is huge. We intend to put out like a sitting area here, maybe like get some seats and make it a relaxation area. You guys get what I mean? So let's go back inside. There are 2 doors that lead into the kitchen, one from the dining area and one from the corridor. Oh wait, let me show you guys the balcony right outside the dining area. Come. One more thing I love about this house, guys, the doors. The doors are heavy. You can tell that these doors are security doors. They are heavy and they are really nice. Anyway, this is our back balcony. We have all of this space to play with as our back balcony. 3 doors that lead to the kitchen. We have one from the dining area. We have one from the back balcony over here. We have one from the corridor. So we have 3 doors that lead to the kitchen. But let's go through the dining area and show you guys what our kitchen looks like. Okay guys, so this is our kitchen. I love this kitchen. I can't even lie, I love this kitchen so much. Number one, it is so spacious, guys. This kitchen is huge. It is so spacious, and I love all of the furniture in the kitchen. I love that they are overhead cabinets over here, and I actually love that this part of the cabinet is open. That I really love. Plenty of space for all our thingies. Yes. And we have a little workstation here, and I love the marble here as well. We have some storage here as well. We have our sink over here, and guys, I'm super excited because this house has double sink. In my current house, we have just one little sink, so I'm really happy that, you know, there is a double sink here. And obviously under the sink We have storage as well. On either side of the sink, we have storage as well. Over here is where the gas cooker is going to be. And one thing I really love about this particular house is that they made provision for where you can run your pipe, your gas, pipe outside. So in this house, there is not going to be, your cylinder will not be in the kitchen. It's going to be downstairs. So I really love that. They have already made provision for that. We also have a water heater in the kitchen, and we have an air extractor or something in the kitchen as well. And then we have drawers. We have plenty of drawers in the kitchen. This I'm super excited about. This is where our freezer is going to be, over in this space right there. And then over here is our little pantry. I haven't worked on the pantry yet, so it's really just plain. The plain space, but I intend to put shelves on every corner of the pantry. All right, so let's go into the rooms. Let me show you guys what the rooms are looking like. Let's go into Mia's room first of all before we head to the other rooms. So Mia's room is on this side of the house. Come this way, come this way. Oh, and by the way, we painted a lot. We painted the whole house white because you guys know that white looks really good when it comes to decorating your space. So we had the whole house painted white. We told them, look, as you guys are painting, this is a brand new house, by the way. Never lived in. You guys know how it is. Living in a brand new house is sweet, okay? It's very sweet. So we actually requested for the house to be painted all white, yeah? And that's exactly what was done, except for Mia's room. Mia's room is a little bit pinky. You guys get it? This is Mia's room, all pinky, all nice, all fresh. So this is her bathroom over here. We have a toilet, we have a water heater, we have a sink, and we have this bathroom thing. Now, the only issue I have in this house is that there are no bathtubs provided, or the shower area wasn't demarcated, but we are working on doing that ourselves. But for now, this is what Mia's bathroom is looking like. Can you guys see the wardrobes? Like, massive. This massive wardrobe is the size of wardrobe that was put in every room in this house. Massive wardrobe space. Like, it's massive, guys. Massive wardrobe space. I'm in so much more of all the space. You guys know I've complained so much about space in my current house, so I'm happy that we have more than enough space to play with over here. So yeah, that is exactly what is in Mia's room for now. So let's go into the second room. Right next to Mia's room is a guest bathroom and toilet, and this is what it looks like. It is pretty big, I won't even lie. This is what it looks like. Water heater, sink, toilet, shower. This is our guest toilet and bathroom. So let's go into the second room, which I am converting into a filming room. Yes, guys, I finally have my own filming space. I'm so happy, I'm so excited. All right, so this is what it looks like. It is white, so I want to play with the white for my aesthetics for my filming. This is going to be my filming background over here. I'm going to play with some things here for filming. Not too much, less is more. Not too much, but yeah, this will be my background. And I'll keep my filming and work table somewhere here, yeah? And over here, of course, we also have wardrobes, which I'm going to be storing a lot of stuff. This room is going to be like my personal room. It's going to have most of my personal effects. Of course, this is the only room that is not en suite, which is why we have like the guest toilet and bathroom on the other side. Only this room doesn't have a toilet and a bathroom, but nothing's spoiled. It's still okay. Okay, so let's go into the master bedroom. All right, so this is our master bedroom, our own bedroom. This is the other room. Come. So this is our bedroom. Bigger than all the other rooms, of course. And there's way more lights here. We have like 3 windows in this room, which I absolutely love. I can't even lie. We have, of course, a wardrobe, massive wardrobe again, huge wardrobe. Here we have most of Jesse's stuff, but I'm hoping he can at least give me one side to use for my princess, you know? Because you guys know that a woman's things are always more than a man's things. So over here, we have our bathroom. What our bathroom looks like again: sink, toilet, shower. And in this bathroom, we're currently working on putting a glass. As you can see, we already have this fixture put in place. We've already gotten somebody to do that, so we're going to be putting a glass here, and I'm sure you guys will see the eventual look by the time I'm showing you guys the updated, proper, decorated house tour. Okay, guys, I love the corridor. Like there is space that I actually am obsessed about. You guys can see there's a whole lot of corridor space. You walk out of the master bedroom like this, and then come in here. You still go that way to Mia's corner. So I'm happy with the space. I can't even lie. It's way more spacious than where I'm living right now. Okay guys, so that is it for this empty house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Those of you that have been wanting to watch this video, I want to give a quick shout out to Sparkle Concierge. They are the ones that actually cleaned up my little apartment, and I'm super happy. Guys, they cleaned this apartment. They cleaned every single inch of this apartment. All the cement, you know how brand new houses are when you want to clean them, all the cement, all the POP dust, all the sawdust, all the everything. The house is sparkling and I cannot be happier. So thank you to Sparkle Concierge. If you are living in Abuja and you want a cleaning service, professional cleaning service to clean your apartment, guys, reach out to them. They are amazing. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my